Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this in this general section we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's localize this option, screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and as you can see after getting back it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.